Yo, my name is Benjamin, and in this release we're bringing the flow effect to layout templates. The flow effect is something we shipped a few months ago that lets you animate sections on your page in response to other interactions or animations. This is especially useful for components like accordions. Today we're bringing this effect to layout templates, which unlocks a ton of new use cases. The biggest one being new navigations. Here we have a simple top bar navigation that turns into a menu on the phone breakpoint. When we give this a preview, you can see that the navigation itself animates, but the contents on my page do not. In this case, you might be better off just making the navigation instant, as this doesn't feel right. If we take a look at my setup here, you can see that the navigation instance within the layout template has height set to fit. This is good as we want the navigation to animate its height. And within the navigation itself, we have a transition between the two variants. Now, instead of setting this to instant, we're gonna keep this nice spring transition and we're gonna go back to the layout template. And now we can simply apply a flow effect to the primary breakpoint in our template. And we can make sure we use the same values as we use in the navigation, which in our case are just the default spring values. And if we now give this another preview, our entire page now animates along with the height changes of our navigation. And because we're using a layout template, this will now work on every single page of our site. And it only took a few clicks to set up. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.